Hi everyone, Ivy here, and I'm here to help you create a home and life you love using Feng Shui. So a quick tip today is regarding the metal element. So metal is associated with the west and northeast corner of the home. It's also associated with creativity. As you know, metal makes good conductors. So metal, in order to get your creative juices flowing, if you're needing to write a book or get a project going and you're stuck about on some ideas, definitely incorporate some metal elements in the west and northeast corner of your home. Metal is also good for children because children are bundles of creativity and curiosity. In the workplace, metal is great if you're trying to create more cooperation amongst your coworkers or cohesiveness amongst your employees. So metal elements are also gold, bronze, pewter, chrome, anything metallic. The shapes associated with metals is round or oval, and the colors associated with metal is pastel. So I'll just quickly show you a great example of a metallic table for the metal element, and here it is, it's chrome and it's oval. And here is a great example of a metal element in artwork that you can easily put up in your home, and that it's silver, it's pastel, and there's round circles. So a great example there, which is why I chose it in this northeast corner of the home. So yeah, any questions or curiosities, do feel free to let me know. And I look forward to talking to you soon. Hope you enjoyed that tip. Bye for now.